Right, we have checked out of the hotel, the Agneshof, and still in Nuremberg now. It's getting on towards 10:30, and we're gonna grab a couple of postcards or something like that, and then make our way over to the airport. Get an Uber, get over to the airport, and then yeah, we'll be on our way. We'll do a little travel day video. It's a shame to leave a wonderful city of people on the phone. They're really loud. The wonderful city of Nuremberg.
Oh yeah, I got the grind.
It's one of our favourite old haunts there, the blockhouse. Do a very good cheeseburger in there. Recommend. Made it to the airport. We're running a little right. Made it to the airport in the Uber. It's about 20 minutes. Probably running a little bit late if anything. You want to be here about 2 hours before. We're about an hour 50 before now, so probably want to get a jiggle on and get straight through security. Right, we're through security. We did have a little stop with one of our bags, little bag search, you know, they pushed them to the side. But all in all, through quite quick, 15 minutes tops, and now we're going to walk down here, make our way to duty free. I think we still have a little bit of time before the flight. Not long actually, probably an hour away now. What? Think faster, talk smarter. A massive bookshop in there. Millions of magazines. I imagine most of them will be in German though. Coldies in there. Can't see anything specifically Nuremberg. Those are cool though. See any Nuremberg, Deutschland chocos there. That's a Mozart. That'll be Salzburg. Risotto. Look at that food, avocado egg bread, €7.50. It's amazing that. smallest room in the house tour. We're on flight from Nuremberg to London Stansted, about an hour 40, quite a short flight. I think we're over halfway, so perfect flying conditioning, nice and clear. Should start to descend pretty soon, but yeah, all good. Right, see when we land.
Thank you. Thank you.
Nice picture of the sky there. Back on the apron. Right, let's get through arrivals. Get this last security check done. And there we are, back where it all started, Wigan train station. We finish our 5-day extravaganza where it all began, when we picked up the kiddos from Wigan train station all that time ago. Seems crazy now that we did it. We're in Nuremberg, seen all the rally grounds, seen all the Nuremberg Old Town and the castle. And if you haven't seen any of those vlogs, go back and have a look. It's a great series. Really, really enjoyed it. All good things must come to an end. Just one more thing to ask. If you haven't subscribed already, smash that subscribe button. Right, I'm gonna have to wind this up and get myself home. That's it.